Okay, so hello guys, this is Francis here from Everything is Awesome, aka Etia, and today I'll be showing you 3 ways that I invented to use SNOT with Lego Duplo. Now Duplo doesn't have much SNOT pieces, or not any at all. So if you want to use SNOT in Duplo, just follow my guidelines. So here's what I've built here. I call it the SNOT pirate ship, and you may be wondering how I put this on the front right here and the sails sticking right up. Now how I did it, you take this bit here off and this bit here off, and it's all just one big bar on it. So yeah, and then we can just slip that back in here, then we cover it with plates like this. It's very simple. Now another way you can use it is all because of one piece, this piece. Now this piece is very useful because it had this sticking out, which can you slip into tubes at the bottom of the brick, so just like that. So at the bottom of my pirate ship, I used this little thing here for a sort of statue, pointy thing up at the back of my SNOT ship. Now, the last technique I have to show you is a technique where you build up and down instead of sideways. So it's like this. Now, you may be wondering how I did this. It's all because of one brick. On the back, I have put a petrol tank. Now, petrol tanks are really useful because they can stick into studs, the top of studs. So just slipped it into there and put a plate on top of it. And that's pretty cool. Now, I hope this video helped, and you now know how to use SNOT for Duplo, and hopefully I will be doing more Duplo and Lego videos soon. Now if you've noticed, I'm filming outside because it's so noisy inside. My mum's cooking sausages anyway. Bye bye guys.